In this video, we will show you how to use the Surface Water tab of the North Carolina Water Supply dashboard. The Surface Water tab shows the current surface water status across the state. On the map, stream gauge and reservoirs layers are turned on by default. Stream flow data is represented in percentile categories, ranging from extremely dry to extremely wet. The stream flow data is provided by the U.S. Geological Survey. In addition, the water source map layer is shown to highlight water sources for water utilities. The information panel shows water flow and USGS streamflow categories for a stream gauge or reservoir that you select. You can choose either a gauge or reservoir by either selecting one of these on the map or by using the Select a Stream Gauge or Select a Reservoir drop-down fields. Once a stream gauge or reservoir is selected, a black circle will appear around the station on the map. The information panel shows a few pieces of information: the station name, ID, last observation, and links to both the data source and how to obtain more data for that station. For the chart, there is an option to select between water flow only or water flow plus stats. By default, the water flow only shows the flow based on currently available data. Water flow plus stats shows the observed flow, minimum flow, median flow, and flow percentiles of the 10th, 25th, 75th, and 90th percentile. For stream gauges, the chart shows the stream flow in cubic feet per second on the y-axis and date on the x-axis. The colors on the chart indicate the streamflow percentile categories, just like on the map. A black reference line at y equals 0 indicates no streamflow. Using your mouse, you can hover over the chart to get the streamflow for a specific date. If you have waterflow plus stats selected, you can hover over the chart to see other statistical values for the stream gauge, including the median and various percentiles determined from historical record. You can use the controls, the gray buttons on the top right of the chart, to save the chart, zoom, pan the chart, zoom in, zoom out, and reset the chart. For reservoirs, the chart shows the percent of water stored in the reservoir on the y-axis versus date on the x-axis. The colors on the chart correspond to the streamflow percentile categories, just like on the map. A black reference line at y equals 100 indicates 100% storage. You can hover over the chart to get the percentile of water stored in the reservoir for a specific date. You can use the controls, the gray buttons on the top right of the chart in the same way as shown on the previous chart. For additional assistance, use the Help button. The next video in this series will cover how to use the Groundwater tab. You can find all the videos in this series on the Internet of Water Coalition's website and YouTube channel. Links to both are provided on the screen and in the video description. Thank you for watching.